Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. A given Salman buys 50 shares. So number of shares are given, which is 50, of the face value of rupees 100. So face value is given. So face value is 100 rupees. Available at rupees 132. So the market value is given, which is 132 rupees. We need to find the investment first. So what is investment? So investment formula, investment is equals to number of shares into the market value. So the number of shares is 50 and the market value is 132 rupees. So if we multiply 50 and 132, we'll get 6,600 rupees. So investment is 6,600 rupees. Now we need to find the dividend. If the dividend is 7.5%, we need to find the annual income. So the dividend of 50 shares is the dividend percentage into the face value into the number of shares. So dividend percent is given as 7.5. So 7.5 divided by 100, and the face value is given as the 100 rupees, and the number of shares will be 50. So the annual income becomes 7.5 times of 50, which is 375 rupees. So the annual income is 375 rupees if the dividend is 7.5%. Finally, we need to find how many extra shares should he buy. So given if he wants to increase his annual by rupees 150 rupee, then we need to find the total, the extra shares he buys. So rupees 7.5 can be earned from one share because the dividend is 7.5%. So number of extra shares he should buy equals to rupees 150 divided by how much he earned for each share, which is 7.5 rupees. So if we divide 150 by 7.5, we'll get 20. So he can buy 20 extra shares. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.